I knew you wanted something. Now that would be kind of a fun video. We've made it to the promised land. She came up to me and was like, you can't film in here. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeanine Amapola. If this is your first time coming to my channel, I do faith, fashion, and lifestyle videos here. And so within lifestyle, that includes food, because who doesn't love food? I literally love it, obviously, because you need it to survive. So in today's video, I'm going to be going to Trader Joe's and showing you guys all my favorites, the goodies, little things that you guys should try. And I also show recipes a lot on my Instagram, so if you want to check that out, it is linked right here. I am a Trader hoe. I really am. Trader Joe's is my man. That's the first love of my life. Actually, that's a lie. God first, then Joe. And so we're gonna go visit Joe today and show you guys all the goodies. But first, we're gonna go get some coffee because why not? So anyway, hope you guys will subscribe, stick around for more of my videos, and let's just get right into this Trader Joe's haul. Okay, y'all, so we're in the car, as in me and Jackie. Jackie's here. Hi, Jackie. First, we're gonna go do a Starbucks run. There's a drive-through one that, oh wow, hello bumpy road, that I love going to, and a recipe that y'all should get from Starbucks. It's like a super low-calorie one, which I didn't invent this. It's just the brown shaken sugar espresso, or brown sugar shaken espresso grande, but you do it with almond milk. It's like 110 calories, and it is literally one of my favorites. So you'll definitely gotta get that, and we're gonna go drive through Starbucks really fast. Ooh, that sounds good. The iced honey almond milk flat white. And it's 100 calories.
Hi, what can I do for you today?
Hi, can I please do, oh wait, what's the toasted vanilla oat milk? Want anything? Yes, you did. Look at your face, you're thinking. Actually, we're gonna make 2 of those. I knew you wanted something. Who can resist coffee? Comment down below, what is your favorite Starbucks recipe? Maybe there's like a hidden one out there that I don't know about that I should know about, and let me know. And then maybe I'll do a video of me trying out y'all's Starbucks recommendations. Now that would be kind of a fun video. Thanks, have a good one. I got it. Cheers, guys. Taste test?
Try it. Ooh,
I like it.
Light.
All right, we've made it to the promised land. Okay, we're gonna get a shopping cart, of course. First up, hydrangeas. Love hydrangeas. My favorite. And take notes. Okay, up first, bananas. As we know, or if you don't know, I make banana pancakes almost every single morning, and this is the main ingredient. This is the star of the show. I'm gonna get these chunky boys because they're nice and chunky. Actually, I should get green ones because I have other ripe ones at my house. Okay, apples, my favorite. People always think I have an issue for liking these, and I'm like, no, you have the issue. Their best apples. Okay, the apples today, this is not the best bunch. They're very squishy and sticky, so I'm gonna just go ahead and get Honeycrisp ones, the next best option. So I just got in trouble for filming. She came up to me and was like, you can't film in here, so I don't know what to do. We'll try to film on the iPhone instead. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm kind of sad because I can't film as I was planning. Anyway, one of the things I like to get here is the coconut aminos. This is a soy sauce kind of alternative, except they changed it and made it smoky barbecue, which we're gonna try this out because I'm not sure how I feel about that. We'll see. Okay, this bread, literally the best. Like, it's so good for you, low calorie. One of my absolute favorites. Just stick it in the freezer and you'll be Gucci. Brown rice cakes are normally with egg whites. On to the next. Y'all, the best cream cheese. It is so dang good, you won't even notice the difference. Try this out, one of my favorites. Okay, y'all, I do not need this, but I freaking want it. I have the biggest sweet tooth, I'm just gonna get it. I'm one of the best. This is the best oatmeal. It has quinoa, grain oats, amaranth, flax seeds, and chia seeds, all so good for you. And it's fulfilling, satiating, and I was gonna look for the calories and I can't find it, so it doesn't matter. Y'all, I made a friend, he works here. He keeps bringing me stuff to try. He just told me that I need to try this soy chorizo. I'm just gonna try it, why not? Y'all, I'm crying. I literally propped my camera up and like thought I was filming this whole thing and I wasn't even filming. Anyway, one of the Trader Joe's employees recommended some things. So he said get the hash browns, some cheesecake, which I love cheesecake, soy chorizo. It was another thing, but I was like, no, but he was a good salesman, I will say that. Okay, you guys, I just wrapped up getting everything from Trader Joe's. They didn't have two things I wanted, but that's okay. I got a lot of other goodies. Got almost, in trouble multiple times, but I did what I could. So let's go home and I'll show you guys everything that I got. Let's go. All right, you guys, I'm back home. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. I'm just gonna quickly bust this out because I think my ice cream cones are melting and we have priorities. Okay, so, oh my gosh. Well, first of all, let's admire our new flowers. Look how pretty they are. Thank you, Trader Joe's. Okay, first of all, strawberries, bananas, non-fat Greek yogurt. I love to put my strawberries and blueberries in them with some agave. Ice cream cones, these are the ones that are melting. I was worried about them. This is so bomb. It's asparagus risotto. So dang good. Broccoli, and I love these because you can just microwave the bags and get steamed broccoli. It's super fast. These ones I got sold on buying because the Trader Joe's employee recommended these, and I've heard Whitney Simmons talk about these. I cannot wait to try these tomorrow. I'm actually like kind of tempted to try them right now. Okay, mangoes, blueberries, frozen blueberries, and strawberries for smoothies. Shrimp stir fry. This has been a legend for me for easily 3 years. I've bought this when I used to live in California, still love it. Just mix this with some brown rice. You are Gucci, and the amino acids, y'all. You'll thank me later. Okay, also the employee recommended to get this soy chorizo. I'm gonna try this tomorrow morning with my eggs. Jackie also said, don't put it with olive oil because it already is pretty greasy enough. So I don't really like spicy stuff, but we're gonna try this out anyway. Maddie likes spicy stuff, so maybe she'll like it. Next, like I said, we have the Ezekiel 4-9 bread. Shout out to Ezekiel, my Lord and Savior. Actually, no, he's not, Jesus is, but Ezekiel was in the Bible. This is sprouted grain, so this is just a lot better for y'all. Natural, no preservatives, low glycemic, and it's just the best. It does take a second to get used to, but I'm used to it now, and I like that there's not a lot of sugar in it. Spinach for smoothies, as well as the mushrooms. I'm thinking of combining eggs, the mushrooms, maybe something like this, I don't know, for breakfast in the morning. It's about to pop off in my kitchen. Okay, next, he also convinced me to get cheesecake, which didn't take much convincing because I love cheesecake, so it was a pretty easy sell for me, to be honest. Brown organic eggs, free range, large brown eggs. How sad would that be if I just dropped this? I'd never forgive myself. Okay, by far the best almond butter. It is their creamy almond butter. I think they changed the sizes, to be honest. I'm not sure why, but I love this stuff. I put it on my banana pancakes, and these are literally an absolute staple piece for me. So you can put these together with strawberries, blueberries, and agave. Try it out, and again, thank me later. Okay, vegan cream cheese. I eat bagels almost every single morning now, and this vegan cream cheese is so dang good. Again, it might taste a little different than regular ones, but I promise you're still gonna like it. Okay, then I got 2 avocados, 1 not ripe and 1 ripe. Sweet onion, cause we like sweet things. And then ground turkey. Y'all, this is just the beginning. I have 1 more bag. Oh my gosh, I think I overbought. I did this so I could show y'all my favorites. Okay, their box mangoes, my freaking favorite. For snacks, I'll eat these like freaking popcorn, but it's so good. The best oatmeal, I'm telling y'all again, strawberries, blueberries, why can I not pronounce that? Strawberries, blueberries, agave, and almond butter, you're gonna love it. Speaking of blueberries, we found them. Honey Crisp apples. They didn't have the green ones that I normally like. They were really kind of weird, so these are the next best ones. Love these. Okay, lemons, because I use lemons for cooking all the time. You can squirt this on your broccoli, asparagus, in your water in the morning. You guys know the drill. Love me some lemons. Sparkling water, some of the best. Like I said, lemon water, love that. I decided to get this. This is protein powder and it has biotin in it. 15 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, 90 calories. After a workout, this is great. Also, we got 100% liquid egg whites. This will be great with these in the morning. You just combine all of these with maybe some tomatoes, eggs, you get the whole point. Blue agave. When I keep talking about agave, this is what I'm talking about. Next, amino acids. These are so great for the stir fry, any vegetables, to be honest. They did change the flavor. I'm like, why did they make it smoky barbecue? But I am curious to try it, but it's the other one, or the OG one, so good. And last but not least is the good old organic Kansas City style barbecue sauce. I usually buy microwavable chicken because I'm lazy, and then you just put this on there and it is like, it's chef's kiss. And that is everything, y'all. We did it. So that's everything I got from Trader Joe's. Let me know in the comments, which one are you excited to try? And that's everything. All right, you guys, so that was my Trader Joe's haul. I really hope you guys found some new goodies to get. I am big on just healthy eating and making really simple recipes. So with all of these, you can make some amazing, delicious meals that are super, super quick, because your girl's busy. I don't got time to do a 45-minute meal. I just don't. So again, check out my Instagram. I show you guys a lot of the recipes there. And I have been posting a ton on my TikTok, almost daily, more lifestyle, faith, fashion videos there. So go check that out, as well as my podcast, Happy and Healthy. I post on there every single Tuesday. And that again is all about helping you be more happy and healthy in your lifestyle. So if you guys wanna go check that out, it's linked down below. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, if you want more, and I will see you guys next Monday for another YouTube video. Peace out, Girl Scout. Bye guys.